Hey everyone, well today we're off to do the Black Dog one-day ride, raising awareness, men's mental health and suicide. It's something I've only missed one over the past 5 years. This is the first year I get to get back and do the southern one, so really looking forward to it. Weather's not looking great, but should be fine. So yeah, meet up with a couple of people on the way and then get to the main meet point and register for today. Let's go. Alright, so just pulled up to my local service station. Might meet a couple of people here, and then yeah, we'll head on to the meet point for the Black Dog one day at Southern Adelaide. So there's always one. Well, I don't know what happened to the rest of the group. Supposed to be here at 12:30. We got separated, but we got here at 20 past 12. It's now 1 o'clock. Well, that's it from me today, guys. That's the Black Dog ride one day at South Adelaide done for me. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. I know I had a pretty good time with a few mates, and yeah, see you next time.